Today, I'm making a savory puff pastry with a secret ingredient that's a total game changer. It's incredibly delicious and seriously addictive, perfect for snacks or breakfast, and loved by both kids and adults. So let's dive in. We'll start with 5 ounces, about 140 grams, of ground pork with 80 to 85% lean. Avoid using pork that's too lean, or the filling will turn out too dry. The real secret ingredient here is pork pâté. It makes the filling rich, creamy, and a little more refined. It's truly a game changer for flavor. We'll need 4.5 ounces of pâté. You can use either pork or chicken pâté, but today I'm using pork. Next, add 1 finely minced shallot, about 2 tablespoons, followed by half to 1 teaspoon of chicken bouillon, half a teaspoon of kosher salt, half a teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of sugar, or adjust to taste. Mix everything until well combined. Before finalizing the filling, take about 1 tablespoon of the mixture and microwave it for 20 to 25 seconds. Taste it and adjust the seasoning if needed. Once you're happy with the flavor, fold in 4 finely chopped green onion stalks and half a cup of finely chopped cilantro until evenly combined. Cover the filling and let it chill in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour, or up to overnight. We'll need 2 sheets of puff pastry, but I'll work with one at a time while keeping the other chilled in the refrigerator. I'm using 3 sizes of cookie cutters in this recipe. The large and medium cutters are used to cut the puff pastry into 2 different sized rounds, and the smallest cutter is for sealing the filling. I'll show you exactly how to use each one when we get there. We'll work in pairs, using 1 large round and 1 medium round of puff pastry for each piece. So, however many large rounds you cut, make sure you have the same number of medium rounds, working with 1 sheet at a time and keeping the other chilled. Keeping the pastry cold makes it easier to handle and ensures a better rise. In total, we have 25 pairs of rounds. Don't discard the puff pastry scraps. Save them. There are plenty of tasty ways to use them, and I'll share those in another video. Here's the filling after chilling overnight. I'm also using 1 stick of cold butter, cut into small cubes. Scoop about 3/4 full using a 1-ounce cookie scoop. Then press a cube of cold butter into the center. Gently cover the butter with the filling and place it onto the smaller puff pastry round. Separate 1 large egg and use the egg white to brush around the filling for sealing. This is the larger round, and I place it over the filling to cover everything completely. To prevent the filling from leaking, I double seal the puff pastry. First, I gently press a small round cookie cutter, about the size of the filling, to seal around it without cutting all the way through. Make sure to use the dull side of the cookie cutter to gently seal the filling. We don't want to cut through the pastry. Then I finish by sealing the edges with a fork for extra security. Add half a tablespoon of milk to the egg yolk and whisk it well. Brush it over the top of the pastry. Then sprinkle some black sesame seeds for a pop of color. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 to 25 minutes, or until the pastries are golden brown and beautifully puffed. Fresh out of the oven, the pastries are beautifully golden, perfectly puffed, and not a single leak in sight. The aroma is irresistible, warm, and buttery, filling the kitchen with that amazing baked goodness. And that's it. Our savory puff pastries are perfectly puffed, with the filling beautifully intact. And I hope you try this recipe at home. Remember, keeping the pastry cold and double sealing the filling makes all the difference. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more recipes and baking tips. And as always, keep tasting the world, one bite at a time. See you next time!